Hey guys, Nick here with another room tour. This time we're talking about the comfy home in the vibrant neighborhood of Athens, Greece. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look. So the first thing you'll notice when you walk in is a tight little entranceway and then a living room. The couch opens up to a bed so you can fit up to 2 people on it. The best part about this place is honestly the balcony, which you can't see at this time because it's dark out. But I went outside and looked around anyways. Even though you can't see much, I can tell you that it's very vibrant, just like the title of the house suggests. I found the house on booking.com. Use my link down below to save $25 off your next stay. Let's go back inside. Here you can see a different view of the living room and the entryway to the apartment. Just around the corner on the right hand side you have the bathroom. The bathroom's a smaller space but quite adequate and it'll get the job done. There's a sink, toilet, and stand-up shower. There's no tub. Just like everywhere in Greece, you can't put toilet paper down the toilet, so don't do it here as well. There's a garbage can. Just past the bathroom is the kitchen. The kitchen has a little fridge, freezer, microwave, and a 4-burner stove. It's clean, tidy, and neat, and just what you need. We were only staying here for one night, and we didn't really use anything in the kitchen besides the fridge. But if you're interested in cooking your own meals, you can do so right here in this kitchen. Outside the kitchen, you have the main bedroom. Here's a look at the inside of the bedroom. The bedroom comes with a full bed, and like many beds in Greece, it's not so comfortable, but for one night it was fine. The balcony on the other side of the living room extends to the bedroom. And again, you have the beautiful views outside the balcony, which unfortunately at this point we couldn't show you because it's at night.